realized that when you search for my book on Amazon,
Yeah.
or it comes up in search results, that Amazon are pushing the hardback version instead of the paperback version, which is obviously priced a lot more. And I'd rather it was the paperback that came up, because it's a lower price, and therefore, oh, it's that price, I can afford that. Whereas the hardbacks are generally a lot more expensive, obviously.
Yeah. What's the price difference? Like, what do you have?
I'm at, I think it's 20. It's about £20 for the hardback, and well, because of the VAT, and £12 for the paperback.
Okay. And sorry, what's the topic, if you don't mind, like, or generalize?
So it's basically talking about people's relationship with their phones and screen time, and getting people to bring balance.
Who's the audience? Parents or kids?
No, adults. I feel like there's basically
Okay. Here's what. And how many reviews do you have?
3 at the moment.
All right, cool. Here's what I would do. I'd immediately bump up the price to $14.99
of the paperback.
Yeah, $12.99 if you want to be conservative, but $14.99. Like a book for adults at $10 looks like a really shitty book. It's priced.
I think my thinking was, if it's cheaper to start with, then you might get more sales because it's cheaper.
$19.99 is what you want to end the book at. Like $19.99 is the goal for your paperback book, because that'll be about $10 in royalties. And well, there's nothing else to say about that, right? It's about $10 in royalties. That's where you want to be. So $12.99 is cheap still. $14.99 is ideal. So start with 12. Maybe once you get past 10 reviews, then bump it up to $14.99 if you want. You got to play around with it. And then your hardcover, keep it at like $19.99 or wherever it's at right now. That's fine. But getting to your initial thing, Amazon's pushing whatever Amazon thinks is going to sell more. That's how the algorithm works. So they have the data saying, hey, there's a good chance we're going to sell more of these copies. The algorithm pushes what's going to make Amazon the most profit, period. So it's like, if they're pushing something, they have a reason they're pushing it. So, and people will click on it, right? And then they'll be like, oh, there's a paperback version, and they'll just buy that if they want that, right? So, because remember, when we see stuff on Amazon, very rarely are we actually looking at the price until we get to the product page. We look at the product, we're like, ooh, that shirt or that whatever looks good. We click on it. It's like, we look at it and say, all right, how much is this? Oh, no, I'm good, right? So price is not one of the determining factors to get that click. So they'll make that change. Yeah,
sure.
there. So
just
that's what I would do, man.